Hi guys, welcome back. ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯨꯒ happy Teachers Day. ꯉꯁꯤꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯀꯣꯂꯦꯖꯇ Teachers Day ꯇꯧꯗꯣꯏꯅꯦꯕꯀꯣ. ꯑꯗꯨ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯆꯥꯎꯅꯕꯨꯗꯤ ꯇꯧꯔꯣꯏ ꯑꯗꯨꯁꯨ ꯁꯨꯝ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯤ wish ꯄꯤꯕ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ gift ꯃꯆꯥ ꯑꯃ ꯄꯤꯕ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯗꯣꯏꯅꯦꯕꯀꯣ. ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯁꯦ ꯆꯠꯀꯦꯅ ꯂꯣꯏꯁꯜꯂꯦ. ꯑꯗꯣ ꯍꯣꯔꯦꯟ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯥꯗ ꯌꯧꯔꯒ ꯎꯠꯂꯛꯀꯦ. ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯒꯦꯝ ꯈꯔꯁꯨ ꯑꯣꯖꯥꯈꯩ ꯒꯦꯝ ꯈꯔꯁꯨ ꯁꯥꯟꯅꯅꯤꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯌꯦꯕꯀꯣ. ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯁꯥꯡꯕꯗꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯣꯏ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯃꯇꯦꯛ ꯈꯛꯇꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯌꯦꯡꯃꯤꯟꯅꯔꯁꯦ Sorry. Yeah, you can do.
Happy Teachers Day! Ta-da! Did you know you did?
Yeah.
It has to be good, no?
Yes.
You can give instruction, no? No, thank you. Only the principal can do it. Come on, mathematics. Now let's see whether math will work here and force, velocity. Yes! In photo called. But you know what the yellow file? You get an idea. Nice try.
Last Bala
Nose also he tied. She tied. Nose also. SB sir, nose also.
Hey, what's your idea, please?
Sir, what is the?
Because of height.
No, mine was perfect. Not right.
Sir, who is standing in front of you? Sir, no, it's as if how much in front of you?
How your voice is
You can do it, sir. Rock it, sir. Make it, sir. Okay, sir, exactly.
No, rock it and wait.
And point it, sir. I know. You have an intuition. I'm back. The second one.
our lip is not there. Super, sir.
Fantastic.
See, you people got time to measure. I didn't get time.
No. Observation time. Come on, sir.
Vinita, you have to time.
This is not fair, Vinita.
Ma'am, see, my sir is measuring everything.
The nearest one.
How much is it? Some revenge people are taking now.
अगर वो ज़्यादा ये से ना कोई भी स्कीम है kita game mama mau gore o da me am je on
You don't show to them. Just you have to by rolling. You come here. Extra picture.
ai nga sakit che ama musical che ram nok ding nga ba bạn đi ghé tàu đấy Okay, penguin.
There is no sea, nothing.
Video click na here you click a photo.
If we are telling answer, who will get point? Sir will get, or we will get?
You will get point.
Each was not using our artistic ability. Each was
So one saco.
I am succeeding in this. I want to get a point, Hannah.
Ma'am, if it is a vacancy, you will get the
Our principal. Pwede ka naman natin minsan.
Yes, yes.
Oh!
Jackfruit. Jackfruit.
Ayo.
B, ಇದು
Back to
what's
you.
what's the artist?
Bacteria.
Outside it is coming now. Food item. Rice.
Dal.
ನಮಗೆ ಭಯ ಕೊಡಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಭಯ ಕೊಡಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸೈಜ್ ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ನಾನು
Teachers will be all around now.
That's fit.
ಒಬ್ಬಟ್ಟು
Motichur laddu. Next.
Only one set. Yes, in
Kaya mamu pala iya ito yung ko.
Only wrong.
Sideways. He's trying to master.
Mushroom biryani.
cauliflower. That is mushroom. It's
Baby corn manjuri.
Mushroom manchuri.
garden.
Mushroom Manchurian.
బిర్యానీ
No, no.
It's already done. Sir, given the answer.
Mushroom. Mushroom is correct.
Correct.
No.
Mushroom curry. Any curry.
మసాలా పూరి
Serenic.
He answered to that.
Just you can get mushroom gravy.
No, but mushroom is correct. Next word you just guess.
It starts with which letter?
ರೋಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಫ್ರೈ ಅಲ್ಲ ಮಂಚೂರಿಯನ್ ಅಲ್ಲ
Okay. Sir, mushroom cutlet. Mushroom samosa.
బిర్యానీ ఎంత బయాజీ క్లాస్ రూమ్ ఇస్ క్లాస్ థియేటర్ హోమ్ థియేటర్
Alfie ma'am.
ಬಯಾಲಜಿ ಫಂಡ್ ಏನ್ ಬರೀ ನಾವು ಬಯಾಲಜಿ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್
ಅದೊಂದು ಬರಬೇಕಂತ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ
Can you please come now? I want to take. Yeah. You can also take.
Arjun, go with him. Photo you take now.
You take photo.
Butterfly.
Okay, okay.
Butterfly.
correct
It should be
honey
No, sentence. You should make a sentence. Butterfly is taking the honey from the flower. Like what? On flower. Butterfly on flower. That's all. That's all. Yeah, always you're complicating me.
so who is the winner now
No, me. Last time you did the Ma'am, even though if you know the answer, yes.
winner very easy but
Difficult. Oh, that was correctly that you can write. Madam. Ma'am, I should not tell. Make it our Doctor.
What did you do? Doctor.
What I'm why is the image? Papa.
Very unique piece. Lion, lion.
Teachers who receive our gifts on behalf of second and fourth semester PhD.
Come, go there.
Ask some second semester. Priti. Thank you, Viju.
केक कपकदौरे आंसर दे रहे क्या I'm scared of you.
Why?
I'm just kidding. Come in the middle.
Because by looking at the
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Happy excuse me. I should remember to her daughter, no?
That big hall.
So no need of this gift and all. Our greatest gift will be when you are going for internship or facing the real students, no? If they are, you are very well there or you are not doing any mistake, that is the greatest happiness we are getting. Sometimes I don't feel bad at all if I am coming in and you are not standing up. That doesn't matter at all. I am really telling what is happening with me and you. But when you do a mistake there, I get very much angry if you deviate from the group, these steps and all. So that will be the greatest gift for us, especially teacher educators will see. It will feel very happy when you deliver nicely in front of the school students. So that I expect from all of you. And many schools I am getting some vice principals when they call me for this informing about vacancies. I get a comment that I feel so much satisfied by that your students means some minimum guarantees there, like that they are telling. So that comment I want to get in future also. That will be the greatest Teachers' Day gift for all of us. I'm sure all of us will agree with me. Yes. That is one thing. And I just put a message of Teachers' Day. Keep your love towards your kids equal. So we can give scaffolding to somebody. Scaffolding is a term used by constructivist people. Yes. I'm remembering Vinitha and Apurva now. There is Apurva. After one or two classes, I understood that Vinitha just want a support, but Apurva want a scaffolding, right? That yesterday I was so happy when you took the proper way, the scaffolding.
Yes, ma'am.
So that kind of, see, somebody, we are not same level. So we have to understand the level, and with love we have to build that scaffolding and try try to bring out the best in them. Everybody is not equal. That is nature's law. So if you have built that scaffolding properly, you are the best teacher there. So that happiness, if you can give, that will be very nice. So be open to take out feedback from your friends and teachers and do the minimum thing. That is, India is trying to make an average population more. This teachers. Otherwise, it is an art. By birth, teaching is an art. So we cannot inject any art to anybody. So if the fire is inside, we can develop. So, but India is a populated country. We know we need a majority or an average level of number of teachers. So we are trying for that. So please follow the thing what teachers are giving you feedback. The way may be different. Somebody's way of speaking or giving feedback may be different. Don't mind that. You take the substance from that and try to develop your fullest. And that will be the request for you people for the future. Okay. Teacher said, Dr. Radhakrishnan himself has told like love should be the main factor inside the
Teacher.
profession. So you don't expect much respect and all. It will come automatically. You have the love factor and sincere factor. So that is he himself told. Dr. Radhakrishnan. And he has told that we have to train the minds to think freely. Think freely. So we have to develop their own thinking. That is very important. That is the first thing I take from Dr. Radhakrishnan's course. So then we usually train them to read, but we are not training them to think. Think. For every problem in life or in education or your career, anywhere, solving one problem, you have to sit quietly. 10 minutes you think yourself. You can take opinion from other people, but you are thinking alone, sitting alone is very, very important. 15 minutes if you give silence, your mind only will give you the best chance. So that is also what I told my Dr. Radhakrishnan. What that you have to train your students to think freely and take time to think. So 15 minutes, if you think alone, you will get an answer. Then you can just check with some mature people and decide that is the best answer. So this will be a small message and request.
Thank you, ma'am. Okay, na?
And thanks for giving us such a beautiful moment for us, especially the second and fourth semester student did exactly well and we really enjoyed a lot. And wishing you the happy Teachers' Day. And at this moment, I would like to notice special things about teacher. Okay, teacher is the one who enlightened the young minds and create a better society. Being a teacher is not an easy thing, is it? Okay, you are the one who is hold the responsibilities and you have to be inspiration and role model to the younger generation. Correct. For that, holding the greatest responsibility, you have to be never think teaching as a profession. It is a dedication and commitment. If you think it is a dedication and commitment, definitely you will win the young minds of the children. And to win the young mind of the children, you have to sow the seeds of values to them. If you sow the values to them, you will be able to cultivate the care and love with them. And if you are able to cultivate the care and love with them, definitely you can harvest the fruits such as obedience, disciplines, punctualities and many other good characteristics. So, and other saying is that the person who never gets jealous about your growth is only one, the teacher. So be a good teacher, be a lovely teacher, kind, affectionate, dedicated, committed teachers. And wishing you all once again the happy teachers. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.